Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about radical equations, and we're going to solve each equation, and remember to check for extraneous solutions. So if I was given this equation, x equals the square root of negative 70 plus 17x, okay? Well, first thing I need to square both sides. Leave me with x squared equals negative 70 plus 17x. From there, I brought everything over to the left-hand side. X squared subtracted 17x plus 70 equals 0. Okay? Now from that, we need a factor. Right? I subtracted a 17x and I added a 7, just so you can see that. Factor this. What two numbers multiply to be 70 but add to be negative 17? And that's a negative 7 and negative 10, right? Negative 7 times negative 10 is a positive 70, but they add together to be negative 17. When I simplify, I set both parts equal to 0. I'm left with x equals 7 and 10. Fantastic, looking good. And so from there I want to check this. I have, well, x equals 7 here. Okay. Check x equals 7. So we have x equals the square root of negative 70 plus 17x. Okay. We're going to plug 7 in for x to see if that's a true solution here. So we plug 7 in. Negative 70 plus 17 times 7. Well, what's 17 times 7? I can probably fit it right here. Okay. 17 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4 is 11. So we have 119. So we have 7 equals square root of negative 70 plus 119. We're looking at, what, 30, 49 apart? Yeah, so negative 70 plus 119 is 49 units apart. So we have 7 equals a 49. All right, 119 minus 70, same thing, is 49. Square root of 49 is just 7, so 7 equals 7. Left and right hand side are equal. Fantastic, looking good. 7 is a true answer, but we have 2. We got to check both. So x equals 10 here. Rewrite my original equation. Don't skip that. Negative 70 plus 17x. Plug 10 in. 10 equals square root of negative 70 plus 17 times 10. Put parentheses. Let's get messy. Times 10 there. That's a 10, in case you're wondering. 17 times 10 is 170, so 10 equals square root of negative 70 plus 170. Negative 70 plus 70 is just 100, so we have 10 equals square root of 100 here. Square root of 100 is just 10, so 10 equals 10. Left and right hand side are both equal. No extraneous solutions here. And so my two solutions are, in fact, they're real, totally real, and they're 7 and 10. So let's recap. We were given x equals square root of negative 70 plus 17x. I squared both sides and brought everything over to the left-hand side, leaving me with x squared minus 17x plus 70 equals 0. I factored that, got x minus 7 times x minus 10, and set both parts equal to 0. Solving that to give me x equals 7 and x equals 10. From there, I had to check both of those answers. So I plugged 7 in, simplified that. When I simplified it, I was left with 7 equals 7. My left and right hand side were equal. Fantastic. Meaning that this 7 was a true solution. It was not extraneous. So we go to the same thing with the other one, x equals 10. I simplified that when I plugged it in. Simplified. I got left and right hand side were also equal. 10 did equal 10. And so we also did not have an extraneous solution as well. And so that's a real solution. So my two solutions were 7 and 10. None were extraneous here. And so my final answer is x equals 7 and 10.